YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where I talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do my on-feet review of two of the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost sneakers. First up, we have House Stark, and then we have the Night's Watch. Guys, let's go. Before we get started with the vlog, let me just give a quick shout out of the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories makers. They do bracelets, they do necklaces, they do watches, and they make it out of Australia. I will put a link down below to their website. I do have a special 25% discount for you guys. So if you've been thinking of buying like a great accessory, now would be the best time to do so with the 25% discount from Rose Gold and Black. I am actually talking with them to be able to figure out how we can give away, like, where was that? Like my favorite necklace, with the one with the grenade. So watch out for the mechanics of that when it goes live soon. I wanted to do my on-feet reviews of these two sneakers first from the collection based on the comments that I got from my early unboxing vlog that I did, of course, in partnership with Soul Academy. I will put the link down below in the comments as well as in the description box for that early unboxing vid. Let's kick things off with House Stark. Now, as you guys can see, it's dominantly black and gray, probably the most drab colorway among the entire collection, and that I think is what you get with the shoe. It is the most subtle, it is the easiest to wear, it is the easiest to rock, but it has like the least amount of pop that you can get in a sneaker. However, if you appreciate fine details, premium details, then this is the shoe that you probably would want to cop, mainly because of the suede accents of the shoe. You have suede here at the toe box, you have suede at the heel counter, you have the leather like heel cages over here, and then of course the thing that I think makes it really different and unique, together with the Night's Watch, you have that, I don't know if it's like some sort of like thicker lining for the internal part of the shoe, which I think is supposed to make it a little bit warmer, especially since this shoe represents like Winterfell, where of course the Starks have been since time immemorial. So it is a bit warm. And then if you take a look at the bottom of the shoe, you have an ATR like outsole, the same outsole that you find with the Ultra Boost All Terrain. All the other Ultra Boosts, well, that one, and of course this of shoe as well, the Night's Watch, all the other Ultra Boosts in the collection have your normal Continental outsole that can be found in other Ultra Boosts. Now, a few more details that are interesting. You have House Stark printed at the laces, and then you have the logo, of course, of House Stark in silver here at the back of the shoe. So style-wise, this is the most subtle in the entire Adidas Game of Thrones collection. So if you want something that's easy to wear, that's versatile, that's like a dumb reach, go for this one. Now, how is this sneaker on feet? And this is the reason why I wanted to do the review first of both House Stark and the Night's Watch. Unlike the other sneakers in this particular collection, this has some sort of lining inside it, which actually makes the fit a little bit snugger. And which means that you actually have to go either a half size up, or for people who have really wide feet, you might even want to consider going a full size up for this shoe. So if you are going to buy online, the minimum I think is going half a size up. I wouldn't recommend that you jump the gun and do a full size up unless you know for a fact that you have really wide feet. So that's what I did. But if you do have the chance to be able to fit it first in store, please do that. You might end up getting a shoe that's a little bit too tight for you, and it would be good for you to be able to get some sort of allowance, especially since this is primarily a running shoe. So usually with running shoes, you leave some space, especially here at the toe box, because when you run or when you walk, your feet do start to swell and fill up a little more space. So that's the thinking behind going, like leaving a little more space at the toe box section. So there you have it, guys. That is my quick review of the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost House Stark. Next up, we have the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost Night's Watch. Now, if this one was a little bit more on the drab and dull colorway, but still safe, this, I think, is the one that delivers the right amount of balance. The upper is dominantly black with specks of white right across it, kind of like a snow effect. And then you have, instead of a suede accent, it has fuse overlay here at the toe box. And the nice part about it is that they made it color white. So the white actually gives it a little more pop, a little more life, especially coupled with the white boost midsole. And that, I think, is the main appeal of the Night's Watch sneaker. It's not just black and gray. So the contrast of the colors of the white and the blacks gives it a little more personality, a little more oomph, not as, as cold as how Stark. You also have the heel cage over here in leather, and then you have your typical Ultra Boost like heel counter, and then here it says Night Watch. And then at the back, this is my favorite part, it says here Night Gathers and Now My Watch Begins. Just a really nice like throwback or call out to Game of Thrones for the Night's Watch. So there you have it. That is how it looks like. Style-wise, like what I mentioned, easy to wear, versatile to wear, but at the same time, it still has some sort of pop because of the white fuse overlay over here and how the white and the black like go together for the knit pattern. So how is it on feet? Now it is an Ultra Boost, guys, so it is super comfortable. You can run in it, you can work out in it, you can walk in it. It's your athlete shoe. That I think is one of the best selling points of the Adidas Ultra Boost. However, just like how Stark, it has the same lining inside of the shoe, which makes the fit a little bit harder to gauge, unlike your other Ultra Boosts. So again, it's the same advice. I would recommend that you go at least half a size up. However, if you do have like spectacularly wide feet like me, then you might want to go a full size up. I actually went full size up for both sneakers. I'm usually a size 12. I did go size 13 for both House Stark and Night's Watch. At the end of the day, I think the best thing about both of these sneakers is that they are the most versatile and easiest to wear among the entire Game of Thrones collection. So if you want a Game of Thrones sneakers that you can wear daily, any of these two will work out pretty well because the other pairs are actually a bit more loud and more blatantly Game of Thrones, and I will get to that on my on-feet review of Targaryen's Dragons and the White Walkers in a few days from now. But yeah, that's the selling point of this one. Versatile, easy to wear, easy to beat up, and at the same time, you do have the additional ATR outsole and that lining for the inner part of the shoe. Both sneakers dropped today for 8,900 pesos, a little less than $200 here in the Philippines. The entire collection can be found at Soul Academy, first come, first serve. So if you are thinking of buying one, make sure that you guys go to the store early, as soon as you can. I have a strong feeling that some colorways will sell out fast within hours. And that wraps up our on-feet review of the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost House Stark and the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost Night's Watch. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we do have an ongoing partnership right now with Cop Garden where you can win this really nice Supreme body bag or side bag. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow Cop Garden on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below to where you should leave a comment at so we can see, so you can be part of the pool where I draw the winner. Guys, this is a Supreme purple, nice looking hype body side bag, and joining is for free. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now would be the best time to do so. Oh, if you are wondering if I'm doing a review of the other men's sneakers in the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost collection, of course, I'm talking about House Targaryen as well as the White Walkers. The answer to that is yes. So the video should be dropping this weekend, so watch out for that when it drops. I hope you all had a fantastic week, and I pray that you all have a meaningful, recharging weekend ahead. That's it for me, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? You know it. Boom.